We're ready.
Number one.
Hold on there now. My back.
Music. Wait.
Wait! I don't catch what I said. I don't catch what.
Number 9.
Wait. Clive calls that, you know. We can, let's retire 6 and 9.
No. The 9 is out.
No, but...
What the 9 out, so she can't call 9 again.
Chris, 6 and 9 are confused.
She cannot call 9 again.
How the upside down business trick me?
We should have put the 2 of them like we have like 69.
Number 2. Number 7.
Boy!
Number 10.
Oh!
11.
Wait!
Why are you waiting? Why are you waiting?
Wait!
Do not wait.
Baller, you wicked.
4.
Why you wait? You waiting that?
Come on, Chris, let's go.
5. 8.
Oh, hold on now. You say life funny. You wait on her, but me way over there say you're bad.
He's laughing. Yes.
No, because she needs to.
No, Brian!
12. 6-3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Go by yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you want to say?
The winner is...
And the winner announced...
Simone Samarooney Clark.
Thank you! I would like to thank all the little people who made this possible.
That's me.
The big people as well. I mean, it took a lot of skill, adeptness, coordination, but you know, with God, all things. God and training, because you know, I'm in the gym every day. Wow. I also like to say congratulations to my noble opponent who really gave it his best shot. And in the spirit of true grace, knows how to win. I'm going to take all of that back regarding him. After the break, we'll get the details on, Round the bump, now. Why are you bad-minding me from back there? Oh my God. Wow. up, we're getting the details on Sister Season events happening at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. That's up after this.